Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to encrypt a password. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to need a special package on board here, so we're going to have to import it. So if you don't already have it, go into your command prompt and you can type in pip install cryptography. Or if that doesn't work with you, if that pip bit doesn't work with you, type pip3 install cryptography. And once you've done that, then we'll have to import this little module here. Okay, so let's kick off, shall we? So we're going to create a function called encrypt password. So that's our little function there. So password here is going to be equal to import. So we're going to get the password from the user that they want to import. So enter your password. Okay. Then we're going to we're going to transform the password into bytes. So this is password bytes is going to be equal to password dot encode. Right. Now all we need to do is generate the key, so create the variable key fernet dot generate key. Okay. Now we're going to create a cipher using the keys, so I'm going to call this cipher suite is equal to fernet key. Now we're going to encrypt the password, so that's going to be encrypted password. It's going to be equal to cipher. Oops, that's wrong. Cipher suite dot encrypt, and that's going to be password bytes. It's going to be print, so we're going to print it out to the user. That's going to be encrypted password is, that's going to be encrypted password dot decode. Now all we have to do is call the program, so that's encrypt password. Okay, save it, and then we're going to run the program. So here we go. Okay, so enter your password 123 ABC. We've got a bit of an error here. I wonder what's gone wrong here. Let's check this out. I mean, you're always going to make errors in your programs, typos and stuff like that, but the one thing you must take away from this is you can actually learn through doing this, even though it's really annoying at the time. Okay guys, 10 points for anybody who can point out the mistake and it's a typo. You've got 5 seconds. Booby prize is a poke in the eye. Okay, did you get it right? That was a quick 5 seconds, by the way. It's Ferner. It's a simple typo, should have been a T. So let's carry on. Let's just save this. Let's run it. Okay, so let's type in a password 123 ABC, and I'm just going to expand this a little bit because I got a sneaking suspicion it's going to be a long one. There we go. So nicely encrypted. Guess that if you can. So thank you very much for coming along with me and watching the video and everything. Really appreciate it, really appreciate the support and that. And if you've not subscribed already, consider doing so and make sure you hit that bell notification as well so you never miss anything from this channel. And I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.